Hello, good people of the internet. I've been busy and I haven't really had enough time to add any features to the app. So I got some time this afternoon and I'm gonna um, show off a couple of features. Well, not really show off because they're not that impressive, but show you some new features that I've pushed um, to the app. So previously, I wasn't handling the case where you might try to log in from more than one account that has the same email address associated with it. So I've rectified that, and in demonstrating that, I'm also going to demonstrate that I've added notifications as well for certain events like editing an expense and removing an expense. And I've also added hidden expenses to the summary component. So right now I have two expenses here, so I'm going to add a new one. And so there you go. I've just added that expense. So now I can see my total expenses showed here and the count of expenses. I have no hidden expenses because I've applied no filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a filter. So as you can see, I have one expense that is being viewed for this amount, and I have now a section here that says how many expenses are hidden. So whenever you are searching for expenses or you're looking to narrow down expenses, let's say by date. So we have 3, this one is for the 20th, so if we drop this to December 12th, right. So whenever, let's say you want to select expenses for a month or a given period of time, then you can see how much expenses are not being shown to you at that particular time for that particular filter and so forth. So that's one. I've also added some notifications. So let's say I don't like this particular expense for some reason. I want to change it. Maybe the price is too much, and I want to change it to $500. Now, whenever I save an expense, I get this little dialog box here that says expense updated. Now, I'm not too fond of this necessarily, but it's workable. I'm going to try to make some changes in the styling, but I think it kind of fits. It's also got a nice feature where if you hover over it, um, it'll stay in place so you could read the message. So it's not going to just pop up and disappear. And it's very customizable style-wise and whatnot. You just have to get the time to sit here and mess with it. So if I click on this or I remove my mouse, it'll just run out. Or if I click on it, it'll go away. So that's one. I've also added that feature to the remove. So let's see, get real angry, and I want to get rid of the test expense. So when I hit remove, it not only takes me back to this page, but it also notifies me that the expense is being removed. So that's that. And the other feature is the error message for the login. So I'm logged in here with my Gmail account. I also have that Gmail account tied to my Facebook account. So what happens here is when I log in with Facebook, Facebook passes the Gmail account as my username. I'm already logged in here with the Gmail account as my username. Therefore, I cannot have the same username logged in at the same time from two different applications. Mind you, all this is being maintained by Firebase. I'm not dealing with any of this stuff because why should I? So if I hit login here now, the dialog box is going to come up. Did so off screen, but there you go. Right? An account already exists with the same email address, but different sign-in credentials. Sign in using a provider associated with this email address. So there you go. So notification message will come up there now when you know that you already signed in using that. You've already created an account using that account. Therefore, you cannot create a new account using that same username. Sorry. So that's it for updates right now. There's one other update that I'm going to add a little bit later in the evening. I'm going to try to add an avatar. Um, Probably not to the summary component, but maybe to the Expensify up here, maybe just next to the maybe just next to the application tab, just a little avatar, and I'm going to create a profile component. So when you click on that avatar, it will take you to a component that displays all the information about that the user is logged in currently, which is a considerable amount of information. So yeah, so I'm going to set that up. It's going to have a picture of you, so your login will be personalized. And I have a list of a few more things to add, but that's it for now. Thought I'd just make this video and upload it quickly before I want to do what I need to do. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.